Vivo unveiled the V50 in February, and today, the brand announced it will unveil the E model on April 10th in India at noon local time. Vivo hasn't detailed the V50e spec sheet, but its design and key specs have already been revealed by Vivo and Amazon.in. The Vivo V50e will come in sapphire blue and pearl white colors. It will pack a quad-curved display with a centered punch hole for the 50MP selfie camera. Around the back will be two cameras, a primary camera using the Sony IMX882 sensor, and an ultra-wide unit with an FOV of 116 degrees. The primary and selfie cameras will both support 4K video recording. These cameras will be joined by Aura Light, which we previously saw on the Vivo V50. The Vivo V50e will also be IP68 and IP69 rated. We could hear more about the V50e from Vivo in the lead-up to its launch.